everyone, how are you today? Today, we're talking about a Chinese herbal formula, Chuan Tang. Formula function: strongly arrest cough and wheezing, transform cold phlegm, and expel exterior wind cold attack, to relieve cough and asthma with white phlegm. Ingredients: 麻黄, slightly toxic, restrict in some countries. Strongly promotes sweating to expel exterior wind cold attack. Disperse lung qi to relieve cough and wheezing and resolve cold phlegm. Warm channels to expel wind damp B, which is body ache. And also promotes urination to relieve edema. 广东花, 杏仁, slightly toxic. Descend lung qi, warm lung, moisten lung to stop cough and wheezing and transform cold phlegm. 紫苏籽, 鸡斑夏, descend lung qi to stop cough and wheezing and transform cold phlegm. 白果, slightly toxic. Astringe lung qi to stop cough and wheezing and transform phlegm. 桑柏皮, descend lung qi to stop cough and wheezing and transform heat phlegm. Attention! 桑柏皮, 黄芩, co-in properties for balancing other heat herbs in the formula. 甘草, harmonize other harsh herbs in the formula, guide herbs to channels, and also protect spleen and stomach. However, Chuan Tang is not suitable for wind cold without sweating, or for cough and wheezing with heat symptoms, or for patients with deficiency, or for chronic cough with complications. Caution for pregnancy: do not use overdose or for long term.